So, this is just a short one, but I thought you might be interested because there's a Humble bundle that's been released recently, and it's a collection of books from O'Reilly, and they look really good. I bought it yesterday or the day before, and I think it might be of interest to you. If you don't know what Humble Bundle is, you can go and check out their website. Basically, they offer collections of books, games, software at a huge discount normally, and some of the money goes to charity. So if we look at the website here, and the one that I'm interested in, if we go to books here, is this one. And you can buy 2 books or 6 books, or you can buy the 15-item bundle. If you want to buy the 15-item bundle, it's $12.99 in the UK. I don't know what it'll be in your currency if you're not in the UK, but it's usually quite a discount. So you get 15 books in the UK for $12.99, and look, you've got deep learning cookbook, machine learning with Python cookbook, SQL cookbook, Java cookbook if you're into that kind of thing, Raspberry Pi cookbook, the R cookbook, look, Bash, Docker, regular expressions, and R graphics. For $12.99, with some of the money going to charity, or you can pay more and more will go to charity, I think this is a really good deal. You know, for $12.99 you get books that are valued at, what's that, £559. So it's definitely a good deal. Check it out, it might just be something you're interested in. This video isn't sponsored, I just thought this was a really good deal, and I know that some of you will be interested in it.